Tesla has started the long bull one yet or not? Today I will give you the insights from the chart. And should we buy it tonight, today, or sell it today? Any trading signal? Welcome to whynchanel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you make more and learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. So we followed Tesla for a while. The past week, basically, I upload a post every day on my YouTube post. So you need to check it. And I upload every day to give you my chart for Tesla, daily chart, and also the description, what is going on with the chart. So now I give you the update now also, okay? So I give you the post for short-term investor. We sell here, we buy here because they drop below and they drop and they go above. This is the first sell signal. So you buy here, you sell here, you're making profit. You buy here. Do we have any sell signal yet? Not yet, but we do have an overbought signal. Overbought. So it's like an alert, but it's not yet to sell. Okay. And how about the regular investor? Do we need to sell now? Okay. You buy here, you buy here. You don't have any sell signal. You're holding it. You should making profit like me. Okay. And second thing is YM chip entry to tell you the investor, the institution come in this area and this area. Okay, so you should have some confidence what you are doing. And we look at the blue line from downward trend. We don't buy. We sell here and we buy back here, buy back here. And what happened? We hold it. This is the blue line investor. Okay. And if you don't have my indicator, don't use the red line, don't do the fast trader because it's very, how do you say? Because you buy, you can, okay, you buy here and you sell here. And most of people don't know how to sell. They know how to buy, but they don't know how to sell. Okay, so if you're a very short-term investor, you need to have strategy and indicator and a good indicator and a very to tell you what's going on with the trend. So my one is very simple. So three things you need to know for trading. First is a trend. So my YM Club Fast, YM Club Long, YM Club Super Long to tell you the trend, such as the red super short term, the blue regular term for the timeline for the trend, and the purple is to tell you the super long term trader. Okay, and we need to have the movement of the fund, especially institution fund. So my YM chip has to tell you they're holding, and YM chip entry to tell you when they come in, when do they come to buy Tesla. Okay, so this is very important, and most of the investor they don't know. Maybe they can see the trend, which is delayed already, but they don't know how to see when the investor coming in, and this is a big mistake. Big, not mistake, but big disadvantage. Okay, so you need to have these two indicators to tell you institution holding and when do they come in. Okay, and big buy, the YM big buy is to tell you the big volume trade. Okay, this is net buy. The blue, but sorry, the green is net buy and the red is net sell. And they basically above zero. This is strong. Okay, strong market, strong fund market. So, YM big buy doesn't mean it is institution, by the way. It just means big volume. Okay, so they filter the volume. Okay, the big volume trade, they go to YM big buy. And if it's even more big, so we'll go to YM chip entry. Okay, so do we have buy sell signal now? You tell me today, do we have buy sell signal? No, although we have the yellow signal, which is overbought, oversold, the YMOBOS. Purple is oversold. Okay, when purple disappear, we buy. And the best is to combine the red line also. They go above, we buy. And the yellow, when they disappear, this is overbought. When they disappear, you need to sell. But the best, you combine with the red line also. Okay? Why we confirm we 100% we sell everything here? Why? Because the yellow disappear, they drop below, right? The first alarm is here. Basically, we have two signals to tell you this candle on 18th December, we sell. Why? Because they have yellow disappear and they drop below this red line. Okay, Second thing, they further drop below the blue. This is the last running signal. The last running you should run. Okay, if you follow my channel, you should know on this day, I also give you an update on my YouTube. If you did not run, if you bought the stock, please click right now, follow my channel. Okay, so now we have another yellow signal, but the yellow can last for a while. So we don't need to sell this moment. We don't have any sell signal now. Okay, another thing, so the institution holding is very healthy. It's going upward and the blue light going upward. So it's very healthy. Trend upward, fund going upward, healthy. So YM Club long, YM Club super long. This is for super long-term investor. Basically on around here, they have buy signal. And they're changing from downward and hopefully to upward very soon. If free line, the red on top, the middle is blue, and the purple at the bottom, this create a very strong force. Just imagine a big hurricane, a big ship, a big cruise. The biggest engine is the purple one to push the engine to go up. And this is the middle engine, and this is the what is it called? This is the small engine. When this free engine going to the same direction, okay, this is a strong movement. Okay, and if we combine with the force, with the oil, with the energy, which is the money for the cruise, right? So you can see on this day, we don't have green chips here, and we have red, a lot of red. This is institution holding. The green mean individual. Individual, the problem is they cannot push the big cruise to go forward very fast. Okay, they need bigger force, which is institution, to come in to buy enough. Okay, you see the whole movement. They keep buying when the trend is going downward. They're buying, 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 and they continue to buy basically here and here. And when is the faster way to go up, which is here, right? So if we look at the daily chart, weekly chart, basically. For example, when this free engine, the red, the blue, the purple, in this sequence, okay, the red on top because this is the light engine, middle engine, and the big engine. When this three in sequence on the same direction, not opposite, but same direction, you can see what's going on here. 14 week, they go up by 128%. And you can see a bunch of green here. This is the oil, YM chip entry. So right now, do we have a long, strong bull one like this? We not yet. Not yet. We still not in the same direction. You see? You see? The biggest engine is still a bit slow. But this is fine. But we need at least the small engine on top, the red on top, and then blue, and then purple. Then they can create this kind of order. Then they push up. Okay. Another thing is we are still waiting YM chip entry for weekly chart. Okay. I know we have a lot in the daily chart, which is good, but weekly chart we don't have. We don't have. So this bull one is not long like this one. This one basically lasts from June, basically not June, from here, from April 2024 to December 2024. Okay, so this movement is not like this movement, or it can be also look like this one, right? So they go up and then they get flat movement, they come down and they buy more, and then they go up again. Now we go down. Although we don't have new entry like this too, but this moment we are still buying and holding. It doesn't matter. Although it's not strong, but we still have more YM chip entry here, and the fund is here. The trend is okay. The trend, we just need the purple to go up again. Another thing I want to show you is in my video I mentioned if you look at Tesla, the pattern is a bit different from other stock. It's always up, side, up, and then down, and side again, sideways again, up, and then down, up, down, up. So now down again, and then now on the way to up. Some people ask me, Tesla, can we long hold Tesla? You tell me. It's very easy. Long hold a stock or not, first you look at fundamental of the company. Do they have edge? And do they have advantage in the industry? Okay. If they have everything, very good for fundamental. And two things, when we buy stock, either we buy for the dividend or we buy for the value appreciation. Okay, for Tesla, do we have dividend this moment? So you check the data, okay? And if we look at the value appreciation, you look for YM chip entry. If they have monthly chart, the buy signal, which is it happened into 19, they are only doing around 17 and 16, then you can long hold. Okay, but this moment, do we have it? No, we don't have it. And also, if you look at the pattern, are they really good for, I don't know, when you say long-term holding, what is your time frame? Is it 1 year? Is it long-term or 10 year or 20 years? Look, so you hold and then they drop. I mean, it's still like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's very frustrating. So for Tesla, this stock, I don't recommend you. I recommend you to invest. And I still think right now, we are still close to the bottom. Basically, the trend, they just start to go up. It's not yet become this kind of pattern. Not yet the strong bull one, not yet. You can buy and hold, but if it's a super long-term investor, I mean, like you want to do like a Warren Buffett to buy Coca-Cola and you put there for 20 years, I don't think this is the stock like Coca-Cola. Why? Because they don't give dividend like Coca-Cola. Okay, maybe later. I don't know. But now this moment, if you tell me, hey, will I long hold Tesla like 20 years? I won't. I won't. This moment, no. Maybe later, but I don't know. Okay, so this moment, no. Okay, so this is the analyze for Tesla and the insight from the chart. So no buy, sell. By the way, this is only for education. I want to tell you how to see the chart. No buy, sell signal today. If we look at it, let's say you don't have my indicator, how to buy, how to sell, use the basic trend line, okay? So basically, you can see the downward trend is over. Now it's in the upward trend. We have a higher high. This is a high. And this is the bottom is everything higher. So this is a very good trend signal, okay? And the next resistance would be around 361, around this level. But we still need to, for me, I don't look for the support resistance. For me, I use my own indicator to do trading. So it's easier. It's easier because sometimes you overlook the support and resistance, okay? So when they drop below the red, I reduce, okay? Depends where do you buy it, right? If you buy with red, you sell with the red. If you 100% you buy with the red, you buy here. You just sell when they drop below, you're still making profit, okay? And if you use the blue light, you may still hold it or reduce it, okay? So this is the update today for Tesla. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend, and see you next video. Bye.